Drew got a new truck, so we're gonna see how this goes. We're good. So we got this man driving, this man in the back, like a crazy cameraman, hanging out the back here. Got Drew's new ride. Dude, no bed liner and you're almost slipping back there.
That's fine.
So I'm kind of leaning back against the window. Thought you were gonna fall. Oh man, too much fun. Dude, this thing is freaking awesome. This thing is awesome. You wanna try it, Drew? Yeah, you might as well. I'll let Drew. Drew's the guy that welded all the parts on this, so I'll let him take it for a spin. I love this trike. This is probably one of the funnest three-wheelers I've ever rode. It's got so much like mid-range pull. It lifts the tire right up. You guys can see I set it back down, lift it back up. Like drive over the rock pile maybe. Show what it can do. See what I mean about how it feels?
I was born to be an enduro rider.
Dude, this freaking motor is unbelievable.
This thing's awesome. You guys have already said I'm nice.
Who yelled that? Oh, across the street? They're giving us the thumbs up. That's awesome. We got cool neighbors here.
300 two-stroke.
Yeah, I mean, everybody's cool about riding out here. That's why we moved here. Yeah, this thing is too much fun. Too much fun. Suspension is wicked soft. It's obviously an enduro. Wicked plush. Just rides absolutely amazing. I just can't get over like how easy they even run and start, you know what I mean? You neutral right now?
Yeah.
Well, I'll go back down and just like cruise by you again. Or I'll go around and come back to you here. two-stroke can just be so smooth like that. It's completely smooth in the mid-range. You can just hold the throttle wherever you want it. It's not violent, it's just smooth to ride. You can't even explain it unless you ride the damn thing. It's almost fun. It's almost fun. I think that's it, Drew. We're going to build ours. Yeah, so we got the same bike as a dirt bike. We're going to turn it into a trike. Get you guys some actual riding content off-road. I'm not going to take this thing off-road and get it all dirty. I'm not even spinning the tires. I want him to get this thing in brand new condition, but I want to also show you guys what it can do. Stay tuned for our build. We're going to convert ours into a three-wheeler, and we're going to get a bunch of riding content for you guys. All right, guys, on to the next video. Sorry, rode without a helmet again. There's no helmet laws in Arizona, and we're just having a blast out here.
Well, you tried to put a helmet on, it was too small.
I tried putting the helmet on, it's too small. My big melon head, you get that. Just want to show you guys the tires. Brandy new, no spinning. They're mint. And that's about as much as we're gonna ride this trike. It's going off to our customer now. He's gonna be in town picking it up, grabbing all of his parts, so I'm excited to show it to him and see his reaction when he rides it. But stay tuned for our trike build. This thing's gonna be sick.
Off into the sunset he goes.